So you want to stream your Nintendo Switch straight to Twitch? Here's the easiest way to do it. First, you're gonna need a capture card. Plug your Switch into the capture card with HDMI and then run another HDMI cable from the card to your TV so you can still play normally. Next, connect the capture card to your PC with USB. Open OBS Studio or Streamlabs, add a new video capture, and select your Switch. You'll now see your gameplay on OBS. Step 3. Log into your Twitch account and in OBS go to settings and then stream and then use stream key, and now paste in your Twitch stream key to this field right here. Step 4. Tweak your settings. I recommend 1080p at 60 FPS if your internet can handle it. If not, 720p still looks good and reduces lag. And last, add overlays, alerts, maybe even webcam, and then hit start streaming. That's it, your Switch is live on Twitch. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.